Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and welcome to my channel. To all my newbies, if this is your first time stopping by, you are welcome to come join and hang out with me, and like and subscribe so you can get all the notifications. Check that bell. And if you're back, thanks for taking the time to come back and return. I love repeat viewership. So anyway, this is just a tiny little haul from Hobby Lobby. I was out of town at the airport and stopped there. Hobby Lobby, and this one's like maybe almost, not quite 2 hours from my house, but anyway, 90 minutes or so. But anyway, so I just picked up, didn't get much, wasn't trying to shop, but it was going to close. I had like 10 minutes, but I did get these on sale, half off. So I did get some of the enamel dots. So I got the glittered ones and those different shaped ones. And of course they had, that was all on sale, all the Paper Studio stuff was on sale. I did get these wood piles, the little spools, Lord, can't talk, and the little round beads on top. And they had these apples on sale, and they were half off. Got 2 packs of those. And then I got a pack of the larger lobster claws. And these are on clearance. I just got these little square little, you know, dangles. Actually, I got this from Michael's as I'm looking at it, that pink sticker. These are on clearance as well. These little conch shells. They're not conch shells. You know what I'm talking about. But they were on clearance. They're black and white and they're painted. I got those, the little dangles. And then these little spacers, these little round rondelle beads. Not spacers. See, wow. These rondelle beads. But anyway, so I got some of these. They were on sale for 74 cents. So that was more than 50% off. So I did get those because these are always good to fill in like a spacer on your dangles and things like that. So I believe that is all of my little teeny haul. I did get some Dollar Tree stuff, but mainly that was junk food and some envelopes. And that was it for that. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.